So I decided to put on some Amazon tires on my 2016 Tesla Model S P90D. These are Capricorn UHP Evoluxx or Evoluxx tires. They are 245/45 R19 tires. And you can see the tread pattern is very, very nice on these tires. So they are on and installed. I've had them on for about a month now. So what can I say about these tires? First, I will say this. These tires are not EV specific tires. These are just normal tires. So the one thing I did check before I put them on the car is I made sure that they were rated high enough to handle the weight of a Tesla. So that was the one thing that I was careful on. These tires were about $450 for all 4 tires, which is an excellent deal compared to anywhere else. I had them installed at a local tire shop for about $140. So let's talk efficiency. Has there been a major decline in efficiency? No, there has not been, to answer the question right away. I have a very consistent commute, and I was running about 21% of my battery on my commute, and I'm right in that same range right now. It's usually about 22%, so maybe just a little drop, but my battery has been getting less and less efficient over the years anyway. Right now, for instance, I'm at 278 watts per mile. My car fluctuates typically on this Model S from the 280 range up to 330, 340 watts per mile, depending on how I drive the car, of course. If I'm on the accelerator constantly, of course, that efficiency goes down. But the tires, I would say, have not made a huge impact. The smoothness of the tires, awesome ride on these tires. Huge, huge improvement as soon as I put them on. The car is just much, much smoother. It takes bumps much nicer, and it's quieter as well. So I absolutely love the ride that these tires have. I have not driven these tires in the snow or ice yet. I will give you guys an update after that. I plan on doing a 1-year review, but overall I'm in on these tires for under $600. They've worked great for the last month. I've probably put about 3,000 miles on them, and no issues whatsoever on these tires so far. So hit the like and follow, subscribe, and I'll give you an update in about probably 6 months to a year, or if there's any issues that suddenly come up with these tires. So let me know what questions you have down in the comment section, and thanks for watching.